back to Hoiko. Today I'll be teaching you about a column type of Hoiko, and that is connected board. For that, basically what is connected board? Connected board is used whenever you're using a board and you want to see other boards data also in that board, and so that you don't have to switch data again, switch your boards again and again to refer to the other boards data. So you can just connect the both the boards, and you can have that board's data also over here in this board. So for that, you'll just have to add a column as you add, like clicking on the plus sign, and these are all the columns, and this is connected board, and you will see all the boards you have in your Hoiko, and you can select any of the board you want to connect. And these are the columns in that board which I just selected to connect to this one. And you have to choose one of your main column, whichever you want to draw all the data from. So I'll be choosing one. I'll be choosing the video topic one. So I'll be drawing all the data from this. Like I'll be comparing, and then you can choose how many ever mirror columns you want. So when you have one main column, and then you will have separate mirror columns with it. So you can choose how many ever you want. You can choose all of them also, or whichever are the necessity ones. And then I'll just be saving it. By saving it, it will create a column. So basically when you see over here, the first column over here which was made is connected board. So this is the main column, and with it these are the mirror columns. So you can edit it. You can edit the name, and then when you click over it, you can see that the whole board, the whole board you have connected over here, the whole board is seen, and then you can just select the row whichever you want, the rows data whichever you want over here. So I've just selected the shorts YouTube row. So I have selected the second shorts in the second row. So I'm if you can see, I'm comparing both of them. The data which is there over here is being compared by the data from that board which I have just connected. So the intro video board is also here. So all the data of that row is being drawn from the other board in all the mirror columns also. If there is data in the mirror column, it will be drawn, otherwise it won't be there, it will be empty. And you cannot edit the data from the mirror columns. You can only edit the data in that board. You have to go back to that board and edit it. When you delete a mirror column, it will be deleted, and but when you go on the main column and then delete it, all the mirror columns will be deleted with it. So when you delete a mirror column, only that column will be deleted, but the main column from which we are drawing all the data, that column, if that is deleted, with that other mirror columns will also be deleted. So like this, you can connect any of your board to whichever board you like, and stay tuned to know more. Thank you.